welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do my very last Ipsy bag ever that I'm planning on getting. I'm wearing the Fenty Mademoiselle in Ya Dig because I had to match a cute little bag. See, it's actually like pretty exact on for this middle shade. Wow, cool. Yeah, you can maybe kind of tell I recently got my hair redone. It is quite a lot more purple. Hopefully I'll be able to film soon in like the daylight. It's like 8 o'clock on a Friday. It has been a day. Oh my god, it has been a day. So yeah, it's like after 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, all that fun stuff. Today my mom and I went furniture shopping for them because the whole kitchen right now they're getting new couch and stuff. Did not expect to like hang out with the lady at Connolly's for like 3 hours. Yeah. Anyway, so very last Ipsy. It was June, so it was Pride, flying colors. Everyone had like a different tri-color section. There was a whole bunch of reds, oranges, yellows, whatever. The theme is just, you know, like pride and flying colors, whatever. So there's a few things. I haven't actually touched this in a long time. I've forgotten things. Teeny tiny MAC Prep and Prime. I've used this. I can use it again. It's fine. It's nothing like I'm wowed with, but it's nothing terrible. Did I like put other things away? I must have, because I only have 3 things and it definitely came with all of them, and now I don't remember what they were and I'd have to look it up. Wow, I thought I was gonna be better prepared for this video, but I guess I'm not. So, hold on. Okay, well, since I unsubscribed, they won't even let me see, stop Ginger. They won't even let me see the bags that I've already gotten, so that's not cool. And okay, so I know it came with all the things, but I can't remember what they are. It was a long time ago. So the MAC Prep and Prime, which, yeah, and then this little eyeshadow palette from Pacifica, which I opened and I maybe shouldn't have. But like, it was really hard to open. I had to like tear the packaging apart. I actually kept it to show you how much I had to tear it apart. None of these are terrible, but like, none of these are great shadows. Like, this one is the only one that I'm like, ooh yeah, and maybe like, that one's kind of like they look nice in the pan, but swatches, they don't really do anything. You girl, you just went all of the hugs and all of the 11s. What's in your eyeball? Why do you have like hairs in your eyeball? You're so weird. But use. Oh, the thing that is like amazing is this little tiny highlighter. Nomad Cosmetics Stockholm, so maybe it's from Stockholm, IDK, but it is their illuminated highlighting power in Midnight Sun, and it's this itty bitty thing. Yes, itty bittier than you, so much itty bittier than you. You are not itty bitty. The vet says you need to be itty bittier. Yes. Anyway, I've already, gosh, now it's covered in cat hair. This freaking highlight, you guys. I'm not wearing it today. I've already like gouged a little bit. That is not like use, that is I jammed my fingernail into it. But like, can you, it looks typical shade, but you guys, like, I have found myself very attracted to like the white flashing gold highlighters. Yes, baby girl. Yes. The white to gold ones are like very, or like more yellowy ones. I am just finding them like stunning. And I know it's not super duper reflective because again, it's not like noon that I'm filming this. It's like 8 p.m. and not a lot of direct light coming into my apartment with all the trees and stuff, but I haven't filmed in a long time and I really kind of needed to film. Why are you always here when I'm filming? Like, why, baby girl? Why? Why? Yeah, it's not pet the kitty time. I know, I was going all day. Oh, that scares you? No, that was probably really loud for you, sorry. Anyway, I don't know where the other things went. And I don't really remember my other things were for, oh my God. Can you guys not? Reviewing the other ones? Because it was just a lot of things. And I stopped Sephora Play as well. You notice I didn't post any of those. It was just getting to be a lot of stuff, and I'm really trying to bring in less things and have less things and like just not have as much stuff. And having 5 to 15, you know, 1 bag to 3 bags worth of stuff coming in every month is a lot. And they're $10 each, which individually isn't a lot. But 3 of them, that was $30. Okay, yes, it's been a while since I stopped Birchbox, but still, $30 a month. I would rather save that and buy, you know, a bigger purchase, new item every couple of months, or like every month spend like $30 on fun new things. I'd even actually rather just like not buy it on new stuff and just repeats, you know, like backups and repurchases because I'm using stuff up. Like I would just much rather not have as much stuff. I think soon, and I know I've said this for a long time, we'll actually do a collection tour where I actually keep the bulk of my makeup, like my storage for it and stuff. It's just in an Alex 5 drawer, but I've smushed it down into 4 drawers because the top drawer is like office stuff, stationery and things. I really kind of want to move it down to like just 3 drawers, but I need to move around a lot of stuff. Maybe we'll do that. That might be fun. Do you want to see that? Me just rearrange my shit. Yeah, and I don't know what's up with my voice. My voice is just being weird. It does this every now and then. I'm kind of, I don't know. What do you think about the eyes? It's very warm orange. This is actually the Kat Von D Rust Quad. Yeah, that's what it is. And then this very, very like blue lip. I'm kind of digging it, but it's a lot for like 8 o'clock at night. But again, I want it to match. So yeah, no more Ipsy, even though the bags are cute and usable. I've used a lot of them. I've actually like used up some of the bags I've gotten. But like, I can get makeup bags anywhere. I don't really need to get them from Ipsy. Yes, it's nice they come with stuff. But again, like out of this last bag, I know the other 2 things, I think they might have been a brush or something. I've either used it up or gotten rid of it because I know I'm not going to use it. And 1 out of 5 I like, and I do really like this. But even though this is teeny tiny, still 1.5 grams, it's still going to take forever to use up. But I don't need to be spending $10 on only liking 1 or 2 products out of 5. That's like 20 or 40%. That's not passing. To really keep doing it, I need to be liking 3 or 4 of them every single month, at least, in order to have it actually be a valuable thing. And once your collection gets to a big enough size, which mine is not huge, but once your collection gets to a big enough size, these aren't adding anything to my life. Okay, yes, this one highlighter is adding something to my life, but would I have survived without having this highlighter? I got Vanilla Quartz. It's very similar. Different, but still similar. Okay, that was less Ipsy. I think I'm going to try to film something else. So I'm going to change this lip because I'm not 100% sold on this combo. And I'm actually going to try to plug in my light so I can have better lighting because I do want to film a few things and get them up fast for you. Like, yeah. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Oh yeah, no, I should probably say more things than that. So, hold on. When you have a fat cat like this, you should pick her up. Have her belly like this. Make her stretch and do ballet. Like this. Ginger, okay. You're fine. And then, you know, like, you should pet a cat, because really, I've been gone all day and you're all over me, and then when I pick you up, you're like, no, bitch, get away from me. Well, you know, pet your ungrateful cat. And then come back here and watch another one of my videos. Oh, are you gonna love me? Now, ow! Ow! Love me. Let me love you. I don't want to get lipstick on you. Okay, ow! Bye!